Hello, today I'm in Ford C-Max. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, press this button. Now cruise control is enabled. Next, accelerate to desired speed and press set minus button. Now when cruise control is set, you can increase the speed by pressing set plus button, decrease it by pressing set minus button, pause it by pressing cancel button, and start it over from the current speed by pressing set minus, or from the first set speed by pressing set button. If you want to disable cruise control, press this button again. Of course, while the cruise control is enabled, you can release the acceleration pedal. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.